Morning one and all. This is Pramila from Ascometa 3 branch. Today we would like to discuss visualization or factorization. So I have taken the example x square plus 6x plus 5. So I'll show how to factorize x square plus 6x plus 5 as linear factors. So I have taken a square of side x units. This is x into x. Area of square is side into side, so it is x square, and this is a rectangle of side x of same size and breadth of 1 unit. So the area of this rectangle is x into 1, 1x. So I have taken 5x with this 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 6x. X square plus 6x plus 5. These are unit cards. Here this is 1 square unit each. So I have taken 5. Now I have to arrange these ones such that in a geometrical shape so that I can find area of that shape. So here I have taken x square first. Next I am arranging x. So this is x square plus 5x. This x I am arranging here, and the remaining 5 units I am arranging here. So now it is in shape of rectangle with length x plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, x plus 5 as length and x plus 1 as breadth. So the area of this rectangle is x plus 5 into x plus 1. So the factors of x square plus 6x plus 5 is x plus 5 into x plus 1. Now let us see another example of x square plus 4x plus 4. So I need x square, 4x and 4 unit cards. So with this I start x square plus 4x I arrange here. And these 4 units as here. Now it is a perfect square we got. Now this is a square of side x plus 2 units. So the area of this is x plus 2 into x plus 2. So this the expression what I have taken x square plus 4x plus 4 can be resolved into x square plus 4x plus 4 can be resolved into linear factors x plus 2 into x plus 2. So the next example we take some negative terms. The next example is x square. The next example is x square minus 3x minus 4. So for this again I take x square minus 3x here. This I have told us length of x units and breadth as 1 unit. So now I am reversing this so that this indicates minus x, area of minus x. Now x square minus 3x, I am putting 3 of this type and I have minus 4. So for the for neutralizing it or without loss of generality, I add one positive and one negative. So here I am putting the positive one and here I am putting the negative one. Now this 4 units I arrange here. Now this is nothing but this is positive. I am adding 1 and subtracting 1. Okay. So this is x plus 1 and this is length is x minus 4. So the factorization of x square minus 3x minus 4 is x minus 4 into x plus 1 that we have shown by this visualization geometry. Thank you.